Welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, I will show you exactly how to play .mov files on Windows 10, so you can watch your videos without any issues. Step 1. Locate the MOV file on your Windows 10 PC. This is the file you want to play, and it can usually be found in your Videos folder or wherever you saved it. Finding the file first is important because you can't open it until you know where it is. Step 2. Click on the file to highlight it. Clicking once will select the file so that your computer knows which file you want to work with. Highlighting the file is necessary before opening it with any program. Step 3. Right-click on the highlighted file to open the context menu. Right-clicking brings up several options for what you can do with the file, including how to open it. This menu is important because it gives you control over which program will play your video. Step 4. Hover over the Open With option in the menu. This will show you a list of programs that can open MOV files. It's important to hover here so you can choose the right media player instead of using a default program that may not support MOV. Step 5. Select Media Player from the list of available programs. Make sure you do not select the legacy version, as the newer media player provides better support and smoother playback for MOV files. Choosing the right player ensures your video plays correctly. Step 6. Click
Welcome to
OK
PC
at
Error
the bottom of the window to open the MOV file. This will launch the video and media player, and you can now watch your MOV file without any issues. Clicking OK confirms your choice and starts the playback. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.